In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize by age group in Google Sheets. Stop sorting your data row by row. Instead, let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting by automatically grouping people as child, adult, or senior using one simple formula. Start by choosing an empty column next to your ages where the category will appear. In the first cell of that column, type the IFS function. IFS is perfect for this because it checks conditions in order and returns the first match it finds. Think of it as a clean, readable way to say, if this, then that, otherwise try the next rule. Here's how to write it. Type an equal sign, then IFS, and open the parentheses. Click the first age cell in your list to reference it. Now, set your rules in order. First, test whether that age is less than 18, and return the word child in quotes. Next, check if it's less than 65, and return adult. Finally, check if it's greater than or equal to 65, and return senior. Your pattern will look like condition, result, and so on. Order matters here, because IFS stops at the first match. So put the under 18 rule first, then the under 65 rule, and finish with the 65 and over rule. When you press enter, the cell should display the correct label for that person's age. If you see an error, confirm that the age cell is a number and that your quotation marks are straight quotes around each label. With the first result working, apply it to everyone. Hover over the bottom right corner of that formula cell until you see the small square handle. Then double-click it. Google Sheets fills the formula down the entire list, automatically adjusting the age reference for each row. Now, every person is instantly categorized without you doing a thing, and if an age changes later, the label updates automatically. To group people together for reporting, sort by this new column. Click into the column with your labels and apply an A to Z sort so that all adults, children, and seniors are grouped together. Sorting alphabetically makes it easy to scan or pull counts for each group without manual rearranging. If your data has headers, be sure to keep the header out of the sort and select the full data range so rows stay intact. That's it. Fast, accurate age grouping with a single formula. Sort your list like a pro in seconds. Follow for more Google Sheets hacks.